In today's video, I'm going to teach you monday.com, how to set up high-low level boards, 5 minutes. Let's start with a quick overview. A high-level board is your strategic dashboard where you track big initiatives or projects at a glance. A low-level board is where the detailed tasks live. Connecting them lets you see updates in one place while your team manages the nitty-gritty elsewhere. Go ahead and log into your monday.com account. Before you build, think about visibility. Decide whether your board should be main shareable or private based on who needs access. Create a new board and name it High Level Board. This will hold top line items such as projects, epics, or deliverables. You can keep the default columns for now, you'll fine tune them later. Click Create Board to confirm. Next, create another new board and name it Low Level Board. This is where individual tasks, subtasks, or work packages will be tracked by owners and deadlines. Click Create Board to finish. Open your high-level board. We'll link it to the detailed board so you can relate each high-level item to one or more low-level items. Click the plus icon to add a new column and choose Connect Boards. When prompted, select your low-level board, then confirm by clicking Connect Boards. Immediately after, choose to create a mirror column. The mirror column pulls specific fields from the connected low-level board, things like status, owner, or timeline, so you can see progress without switching boards. If you're unsure which fields to mirror, start with status and timeline. You can always adjust later. Now, let's add automation to tie it all together. Click Automate at the top of your high-level board, then choose Create from Scratch. Create an automation that fits your workflow. For example, you might set a rule so that when a new item is created on the high-level board, an item is created on the low-level board and linked automatically. Or when a status changes, the connected item updates. Keep the trigger simple at first. Clarity beats complexity, and you can layer more rules as your process matures. Save your automation when you're done. A quick tip: use consistent naming for items in both boards so connections are easy to recognize. Also, confirm that teammates have access to both boards. Permissions can affect connections and mirrored data. Finally, add a sample item to test your setup and make sure links and mirrors behave as expected. That's it. Your high-low level structure is ready, giving you strategic oversight and actionable detail in one connected system.